inside of my 1990 Bar X. We're going to go in the bottom and we'll pull it forward and also have a look in the front. So as you can see, in the bottom you've got key, which opens this one like that, takes that up, and then you've got another door, and these here, these are your cash in and your cash out, token in and your token out. And then you open this up here, and then you've got your free cash box, 1, 2 and 3. And then you shut that door again, put that on, that, pull the key out, pull that forward, open the back. So I've got this on here, got your one lock there, another lock there, just pull that out, turns the key, and that is the inside of the machine. That's your coin rack, that is your cash tube, and of course to take the coin out, that lever there, see that lever? You pull that back and that fires the coins out. Like this. Like this, can you see? There. That's inside there. And you see this tube here? That sends all the change, 10s, 20s and 50s into the cash boxes at the bottom, what I've already shown you. Let's have